How to find saved reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now your home page appears. At the bottom you can find different icons. Tap on this reel icon. Firstly, I'm gonna save the reel to show you guys where to find that reel. I'm saving this reel. Now head towards your profile, tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Now at the top right corner you can find that 3 horizontal lines, tap on it. Over here you will find different options, tap on the option of saved. Over here you will find 2 options, all post and audio, tap on the option of all post. Here you will find 2 sections, tap on this one icon. And here you can find all of your saved reels. This is how you find saved reels on your Instagram. I hope now you guys are clear about it. This was very simple and quick process. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.